So you just let them know, no, about the screening. So what had happened over there? So just give the experience about it. Right? Fine. Yeah.
Firstly, in my first attempt, I was fortunate enough to get screened in my first attempt, which was very happening for me. But then, although I got conference out for my two consecutive attempts, within a span of 1 week, I got screened out twice. So that made me thinking that screening is the most important part of all. So I got down, self-introspected, and then I saw that some people took OIR test too lightly, which is not to be done. OIR and PPDT have 50-50 weightage, I would say. So I thought the PPDT part is not in my hand. I could not prepare PPDT in advance because picture was unknown. So OIR test was in my hand. So I practiced OIR regularly. Before going to my this attempt, I had made sure that I practiced 20 OIR set within the time limit. So that was one part. And then because I had practiced, a lot of question could be solved very quickly in less than time required. So that was one part. Now coming to the PPTT, firstly because I was practicing for TAT pictures, it was similar to TAT. This was that I was given less time and I had to narrate it as well. So I made sure that the story which I had written was correlated to my narration. And I first of all in a picture is the most important part is observation. Now I'll tell you a few flaws which I noticed in when other people were narrating. So there is a, if I had to say, there was a picture where a boy was standing and there was a tree adjacent to him, a short tree approximately his height. Now what people assume was that was a girl with long hair, which is a total wrong perception. Okay, you cannot perceive a tree to be a lady. So first of all, the observation is the key part here to make, and secondly, the story which you make has to be related to your and most importantly realistic story. Now I'll give you an example. There was one picture which was shown like a house scene and a boy taking blessings from his father and his father giving it. So people said that he is a boy who has won a war and has come back victorious and his parents are congratulating him. Now if you see, this might seem to you like a good story, but in real life scenario we all know that a war cannot happen recently, and even if he come back it would not be a scenario because you would not see any uniform on him or anything like that, a background. Whereas if I had to make a story, I made a story that a person has done civil engineering and had come back to his village to contribute back to the village by constructing road, gather his knowledge and apply that to his real life situation. So that's picture perception for you. Now when you come to narration and discussion is basically haywire. You cannot predict how your discussion would go because it depends on other how they are speaking, but narration is in our hand. So if you get a good command on your narration, your game is played. You can definitely get in without even getting best of how yourself in the discussion. So for narration, obviously when I wrote down the story, I made sure that the story is perfectly in place with what I have written and I should not add it on or change my story at last moment. So basically I practiced my narration in front of my mirror and with my friends, and when the PPT gets over, you get around half an hour of time for until a discussion starts. So in between that time, keep on memorizing your story, what you have written, keep on narrating in your mind that if I get a chance, how will I narrate. Make sure that the narration is between 1 minute. Okay, you do not stutter in between and it should be crisp and clear. Do not move around the bush because if you start beating around the bush, the assessor will get to know and he will quickly say next person. He won't listen to your story further. So make your story crisp, short and within 1 minute of time. Now come to the discussion part. As soon as the discussion starts, firstly if you go, there would be a fish market. Everybody wants to speak, that's why they're here, they want to speak. But then one thing which I noticed out of my two screen outs, that when a fish market is being created, everybody is speaking and you get a feeling that I am not speaking, I might got screened out because I won't speak. And that's the wrong approach. If you speak at that time, you're adding to the fish market, not stopping that fish market. Okay, so if you ask me personally, if a fish market chaos situation is being created, try avoid adding points to that fish market. Now at some point that would slow down and individually people would start taking. Now when one person starts speaking, as you soon get to know that some person is about to stop, raise your voice boldly and then take over the command from that person and then narrate your point. But do not continue narrating it. 20 second, 30 second max, give 1 or 2 points and stop. listen to others as well, because if you keep dominating yourself, you would be seen as a dominating personality, not a contributing personality. So speak, stop, maximum 2 to 3 times. That's the max chance you would get. It's enough for you. If you do everything as a holistic approach, definitely nobody would stop you from screening well. So that's screening for sure.
Okay, right.